How's it going, everyone? Destroyer 4x7 here, and today we're doing an unboxing of the Duracell Portable Power. Now this thing's pretty sweet actually. It comes with 3 of the power cells, and apparently each one comes preloaded, they're already charged. So Duracell is like known for batteries. This is what they do, that's their business. So for them to come out with something like this on the market, and like I haven't seen this anywhere really. It was hard for me to even find this. I found out that the person that bought it got it at Costco apparently, but like I haven't seen it online anywhere. You try and search this thing up, there's only one other video of it, and the guy didn't even open this. He just showed that he had it.
What's that like? Close the door. Close the door. Yeah, we will. Close the door.
So there you have it. This is the battery pack. You got a button right there, you have the light ups right there, and then you have the USB and micro USB. I'm just going to look at the instructions real quick and see what it says to do. Okay, so it definitely says pre-charged and ready to use there, right? So now I open up the instructions here. And before using your portable power, it must be completely charged. So I'm gonna have to go charge this first, and then I'll get back to you guys on how it went out. Okay, so after a bit of investigating, it looks like these were actually made back in 2014, if this would like the focus. Well, on the back here it shows that it was made in 2014. So that was like 8 years ago. And if these were pre-charged 8 years ago, I don't think they would hold that charge 8 years later. So that probably explains why it's not ready to go once you open it, because I fully charged it. It took about 3 hours to fully charge one of these, and so it definitely works. It wasn't like an issue with the manufacturer. I think it was just a time thing. I didn't realize that these were made back in 2014, so I'm hoping that's the reason why it didn't work right out of the box. Okay, so I just finished doing some testing with this, and it's not bad at all. So what I found out is with this Duracell portable power station, it is more based on quicker recharge time than storage, right? So you get a bit less storage, it can hold less of a charge, but it does recharge your items a bit quicker. So with my battery, this is the battery for my camera, and it usually takes about like 2 hours to recharge it. With this, it charged in half the time. It only charged in an hour. Like I was like shocked at how fast it charged this. So really good if you're looking for like a quick type of thing. So, oh yeah, and it took half the battery though. It took half this battery to charge my camera. So you'd only be able to get like 2 charges out of it, but they're 2 quick charges. So it's all about what you need it for. I still think that that's pretty good. You don't really see one of them that does something like that. Like maybe that's why they didn't advertise it, because they knew it would sell without the advertising, because no one else really like creates a product like that.